Hi there, and here's a quick video on how using our site attendance feature might make your timesheets a little bit easier. So you can see here in TradeUp, when you've got a job going on, you can come to the site attendance tab here and you can click this little QR code, and that creates an individual, unique QR code for that specific job. Now you can give a photo of this to the foreman on site on his phone so the guys come directly to scan onto him, or you might print it out and stick it up in the site shed or pop it on the front gate laminated, whatever works for you guys. But basically, you need to provide this QR code on site so when your workers arrive, they can use their phone. Any phone with a camera works, and they can scan in on site. Now, when that happens, what happens is that this chap may have come in, he arrived, he scanned in at 6:49 a.m. I can also see here using the site attendance feature whether he's read the toolbox talk that we've already done and is on site, whether he needs to sign off that he's read that or not. And so when he comes in and he signs in at 6:49, the system's got a little bit of AI there that knows that he probably from and also the settings that you've set that he's probably actually going to be starting at 7 a.m. So it creates a draft timesheet for him starting at 7 a.m. When he signs out of sight at the end of the day, it'll use those same rules in the settings and the AI algorithms that we've got to give him a draft end date. And the foreman who's on site at the end of the day, he uses that suggested timesheet either from someone signing in on site or because they were there on the previous day. And he can just save there. Oops, won't save unless we've got his end time there. If he signed out on site, 3 o'clock saved, and it's as quick as that to enter the timesheets. And also just giving you guys a record of exactly when people signed in and out of site.